Hello everyone, welcome to another Comprehensible Input vlog. Today we are going to take a walk on this beautiful road around my village. As you can see, a man is going on his bicycle. Can you see a man over there resting under a tree? So if you get a chance to live in a city or live in a village, so which one would you prefer? And let me tell you a secret of ours. During the lockdown, we used to spend our time in this area. As you can see, that is my village, and this is a road, and this is a countryside of my village. So I am going to walk on this road and we'll explore this beautiful weather. Let me tell you, the weather is very amazing today, and you can see it's cloudy and the wind is blowing. I'm really excited to show you my village in this vlog. If you have watched my previous vlog, you might know that is my mango orchard, and in that mango orchard we had spent about an hour or 2 hours in that vlog. There are mangoes right now. This is mango season. I don't know if you can feel the wind that is blowing right now. It's just very cold. It might rain, and there might be a storm as well, because the weather, can you see right now, it's just fantastic. Just feel the weather. As you can see, this is very peaceful right now. I think I am the only person in this area right now. Can see the trees, the green area, and this is my mango orchard. Let me show you some mangoes on these trees. I hope you can see the mangoes. Let me zoom it. Okay, here they are. Let me know, have you ever been to a village and explored this beautiful nature? What I like most about the village is that you can just be outside and enjoy the weather. Unlike the cities, in cities you might not get to see such beautiful weathers, the greenery and the peaceful environment around the village. So I hope you can feel the weather right now, and I'm just loving it. I will show you some beautiful areas of my village, the fields, the track for the trains, and everything in this vlog. So keep watching this vlog. Do you know what do we call this? Actually, this is a fence, and this is required so that the animals could not go inside the field. We also call it boundary. And these are some plants. Those are trees over there. Those are trees, and these are fields. There are no crops right now in the fields, and I hope you can see the pigeons there. I think they are also relaxing. So whenever there are two, we can say those, and if there is only one, like one, okay, so one, so that, okay, that is a tree, and those are tree. So when there are two, we can say those, and when there is only one, we can say this. And when something is close, for example, this is near, I can say this, and when something is far, we can say that. So as you can see, that is a track for trains, and there is a train going on the track. So that is a train going on a track. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. I can't express this right now. And okay, so now we are going ahead and we'll explore some more things. around my village. So this is also a mango orchard, but this belongs to someone else. This is someone else's mango orchard, so this is not mine. As you can see, a man is going on his bicycle. He must be a farmer, so he's going his home now. So that there is my village. One thing I love about the villages is that how peaceful they are. You don't hear so much traffic here. Instead, you hear the wind, the birds chirping, and sometimes insects. So this is very peaceful right now, and this is what I love about villages. I uh, I have spent some of my years in a city, but uh, I was like I can't live in a city for a long period of time. I always wanted to spend my whole life in a village, so I'm here right now, and that's the only reason I'm showing you this beautiful area around my village. I hope you like this area, and you definitely want to be here and enjoy and spend your time in this area. And let me tell you a secret of ours. During the lockdown, we used to spend our time in this area. So we used to hide here from cops, or you can say police. So from morning till the evening, we used to spend our time here, and yeah, we used to play some games here. We used to climb on the trees, and we used to also play Free Fire and PUBG as well. Here we played cricket here. So these are some activities we used to do in this area during lockdown, because we were not allowed to go outside during lockdown, so we were kind of bored during the lockdown. But this is the only benefit if you are in a village, because you have some kind of freedom in village. So if I were in a city, I might not have access to go outside, because there were a lot of police around the houses during the lockdown. But here in village, you could spend time outside your houses. Do you know what do we call this? So this is a tree trunk, and these are branches. So these are branches, and those are leaves over there. So those are leaves. Let me go closer. That. So that train is called Vande Bharat, and let's just explore this field. So this is soil. So this is soil. So we also call it a clod of soil. So this is a clod of soil. Can you see a man over there resting under a tree? So that man is resting under a tree. So now I'm going back to my village. Okay, as you can see, a man is walking towards me. Hey, where are you going?
I'm just come to you.
You just came to me?
Yes.
Is there any word?
No, nothing. Just we need to play PUBG.
Sure. Okay, so you want to play PUBG with me, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going back to our village. So tell me something about this village, Sabai. What do you like about village, and if you get a chance to live in a city or live in a village, so which one would you prefer?
According to me, village is the better, because the village almost with the nature. And
Okay.
city there is too much pollution and the busy life and
Traffic.
nothing traffic like that. So there are many pollution. And village, this is the peaceful place, and there are the nature and green everywhere. See the green forest and trees and mango trees and everything with the nature. If you live
In a
a
city.
better life,
Yeah.
so I prefer for the village.
So according to him, it is better to spend your life in a village, because you got a lot to see the nature, the beauty of the village, and natural foods, mangoes, and there are many more. So yeah, according to him and according to me as well, like it is much better to spend your life in a village, because you can escape the biggest problems of your life, such as traffic, pollution, and many more things. But yeah, you might not get that much opportunity in a village in comparison to a city. So in city you might get a job as well, but in village you will get a peace that matters at the end. So if you want peace, I would recommend you to spend your life in a village. And if you want money, and I think you can spend your life in a city. So what are you doing right now in this village, and what do you do?
I'm doing nothing. I'm just came for my vacation. I am working in Kuwait.
So you live in Kuwait.
Yes.
So you are saying that it is better to live in a village, and you are
Yes,
living in
if
Kuwait.
possible, okay. If possible, I recommend the village life is good. I I have a house in city, but I don't want to go to live
Okay,
there.
so like he has a dream to spend his life in village, but he is you can say he can't live in a village because he has some responsibility
Yes.
on his shoulder, right?
Yes.
So you are living
Some
in.
family responsibility and many things.
If you enjoyed this vlog, please like the video and subscribe my channel.